मेरे को एक्सेंट बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
थैंक यू.
मेरे को बोलो वो मेरे को चाहे 2 ही वर्ड समझ आए. से
Slates. It's slates.
है
Slates. Party.
Slate.
Slates.
तो एक्चुअल वर्ड्स
मतलब जो मुझे अच्छा
Slates.
लगा वो था भी नहीं वो.
मेरे पापा भी सुनते हैं इंग्लिश गाने सो
ओह.
जिसकी
पापा आए.
नहीं.
Who are your favorite singers amongst Indian artists, like upcoming new Indian artists?
New, not much, but Nazia Hassan, yeah.
शी इज पाकिस्तानी.
But I like her. Pakistan
Indian
was a part of India, so
But she started singing after the partition.
sorry. What do you want me to take? Sorry, what did you say?
She started singing after the partition.
Okay.
I was there.